The Kia Stinger is a bit like a small-town indie music star that became super famous. Nobody expected it to be as good as it is. And what happens when you become super famous in this country? Well, you start in your own rap video and you start in your own movie fighting crime. Looks like the Stinger's done both.
Hey there! Welcome to yet another Michelin Motor Show update. You are watching updates from the 2019 Detroit Auto Show, powered by Michelin, the world's leading tyre manufacturer from France. With that intro over, let's get on. With 17,000 units sold in the United States so far, folks, the Stinger has proved to be reasonably successful for Kia. That's partly because it is the prettiest car that Korea has ever made, at least in my eyes, yes. And partly because it's also one of the best driving Korean cars ever made. So, like all successful enthusiast cars, the Kia Stinger has now entered the tuner scene. Yes, and the most outrageous Stingers of them all has to be the Dub Stinger, or if you would have it called DUB Stinger, first displayed at the SEMA show in Las Vegas and now sitting very pretty, looking so nice at Detroit Auto Show. This Stinger, modified by DUB Customs, gets a unique brushed metal finish wrap, massively flared wheel arches housing enormous 22-inch alloy wheels, and a lot of carbon fiber parts, including a custom carbon hood, of course. Now there's also an aftermarket air suspension kit to lower the car for better photographs at a stance meet. Inside, DUB has completely changed the color palette by adding red leather inserts. Of course, being a custom car, there is a custom sound system and custom LED interior lights. So the night outs in Kia Stinger DUB are that much more dramatic. As for mechanical updates, well, the turbocharged 3.3-litre V6 engine has been given a custom exhaust and air intake. In stock form, this engine, if you remember, produces 365 horses and is paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power, of course, all to rear wheels, while all-wheel drive is optional. The Kia Stinger is expected to be launched in India later this year. Yes, I am happy to say this. So if you're planning to buy it, then do give the DUB version a good look, because that will give you ideas to mod your Stinger. But then, hello, stay wary of the cops, because Supreme Court's new order is that mods are now illegal. Unless, of course, the cops themselves decide to roll in one of these, the Kia Stinger Police Cruiser. I can't believe there actually is a Kia Stinger Police Cruiser. It is one of the 50 Stingers heading to the Queensland Road Policing Command in Australia. So it's an actual cop car, not just decked out with police lights or livery to look like one. It's an actual cop car. Which bit about the Kia Stinger DUB did you like the most? The name DUB, Dub, or is it the brushed steel wrap or the 22-inch forged alloy wheels? Comment in the comment section below. One lucky subscriber will have a chance to win Michelin tires. See you soon, guys.